Want to animate like a pro? Start with the magical world of stop-motion animation, made just for kids and the young at heart. Whether you're a curious kid, a creative parent, or an educator ready to inspire, this is where imagination meets action. Dive into the animation basics with kid-friendly tools that make creativity feel as easy as pie. From classic flipbooks to cutting-edge AI-assisted robots, your little storyteller can explore the entire animation journey. No fancy degree required. Bring characters to life with adorable chicks, playful monkeys, and colorful farmyard scenes that are sure to delight. These stop-motion kits turn everyday figurines into movie stars. Hollywood, watch out! With storyboard sketchbooks, kids learn to plan their shots like little Picassos with pencils. It's not just fun, it's a skill-building journey in creativity, storytelling, and visual thinking. Want to make something unforgettable? Craft vibrant nursery animations that captivate preschoolers and charm parents alike. With interactive software that's so easy and entertaining, even Grandpa will want to get in on the action with a surprise cameo. Build 3D characters like Humpty Dumpty, bring sunshine to Arctic scenes with penguins, or animate jungle adventures. Whatever the idea, these tools make it possible and super fun. Perfect for educators, hobbyists, and creative kids, this is more than a toy. It's a launch pad for little directors and dreamers. Turn imagination into reality. Animate today, inspire tomorrow. Click the link in the description to read more and start your stop-motion adventure now.